Yeah, run into it like this. Ready? Alright, ready? But look, I'm going to tell you, you're going to break it within the first shot, right? Yes, you are. Say, yes, I am. Alright, let's go.
Mean it when you say it.
Measure first. Stepping back, you're way too far away. Get in there. Put your heel, go through it. There you go, now go through it. You got that almost all your fingers.
There you go.
Yep, just like you hit the back. Did you break it?
I tried to
Did you try to kick it then? No. Come on, you got this. Just like that. Push through. Now use your heel. Try to kick it with your heel.
All right. Uh-oh.
You didn't try?
No spaces.
Sorry, Jackson. I thought you went up already. Come on. There's no more wood back there, Brian?
Yeah.
Whatever your name is? Ben? Brian?
Ready?
Four stance. You kick through that board. You don't tap it. You go all the way through with your legs straight up. Practice one first. Stepping back. Step and back. Look, you're going like this. This is what I do. Watch. I go like this. I bend my leg. Put it out. Back. Come on. You got this. All the way through it. Come on. Nope, you're tapping it. Go through it. Push it out. Stepping back. Wait a minute. You got this. Relax. Good thing. Just like that. Now hit the center of the board. Now go hit his chest. Ready? All the way through.
Ooh.
Come on, Jackson. Kick the board.
Two boards, Kane. You can do this.
Come on, Kane, you can do it.
You can't break
Come on, Kane, you can do it.
You gotta break with the game.
My face. Take my face.
Bend on your shoulders. That's what John's back. Just all the way through it, Kane. Hey, if you break these two boards, you'll test. Relax. Just go through it. Hey, pretend it's one board. Same way you hit one board, same way you hit two boards. All right, go through it. You
Doing good, son.
Too much pressure? Okay, forget it. You won't test. Go ahead. Go through it. You're going like this, buddy. You're going like this. Look on the side. How you doing? What you look like? You're going. It's like you're dragging it up. I come here and I push it out.
There you go.
Push,
Oh.
Jake. Pull it in and push it out. Yeah, push it all the way out. Your knee's still bent. You're gonna see it when you watch that. You're gonna see your knee is still like this when you're done. You gotta push it. Come on, you can do this. I'm telling you. More. His knee's still bent.
Get your measure. Get your distance.
No, it's not bad. This is what you look like. I'll show you. And when you're done, your knee still looks like that. You're not pushing it all the way out. Stop looking at the board. Just kick and hit him. This is easy. You got this. It's in your head. That's why you're not breaking it.
Oh, good job.
That was magic break.
How's that work?
Magic break.
It's a magic break. I break the second, but not the first.
That was good. See?
Great job, King.
Like that? You did enough to go through, but you came back at the last second, which made that look more. Because you ever see when people break bricks, they can actually break the like a middle brick or the bottom brick or whatever. I want to see you do that again. Brian, you broke wood before, haven't you? Only with your foot, really? Oh, only with one then. Sidekick.
Hit the middle of the wood and been broke.
Yeah, that was a good shot.
Please don't hit my fingers.
What are y'all, black belts?
I enjoy
Get
this.
back the figure, just hold the board.
You got it. You got it.
Coach, can I try kicking one of the boards?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Just one. Not two.
You're too tight on him, Tom. He's not giving him any gift. Come on, break the board! There you
Go. All right.
Who hasn't gone yet? You got this. Have you ever broken before?
Yeah, when I was 8.
Kick?
It's like.
You should break with a kick. These are very good for punches. They're naughty. If you hit a knot, you break your fingers. Slower. I can tell you that. Now. Is that you, Brian? Brandon? Whatever your name is. Who's Brian? Brian, I like your name, Brian.
All right.
Okay, who hasn't gone yet? Listen. She should make a break.
Debbie, how'd you break, kid? You punched it?
I'm Jessica.
Alyssa, you said if you break that, you can't break it.
No, I said if she breaks it, I'm going to have
That's his wife. It did look like he was looking at you.
It's his finger. Shush.
Good try.
That was good. That was
Someone
good.
else, you got it.
Come on, put some of that attitude in it.
Come on.
Wifey.
Come on.
Didn't know you were that strong, did you?
No, I've definitely got it. She's already.
Dante just walked in the house with muddy shoes.
Oh, man. Mom.
Only a man can make a woman that man. Kids can't. Okay, has everybody gone?
They need